Alright, so we're going to find the three angles of triangle ABC. So I'm looking for angle A, angle B, and angle C. Given side A, side B, and side C, bless you, which are 6, 8, and 12. Now, remember, we're only after the angles, so once I find those three, I'm done. Now, because we're using the law of cosines, we want to find our largest angle first. So which side is going to have the largest angle?
C.
Angle C. So let's find angle C first. How are we going to find angle C?
We have to do the alternate form.
Good. If we're after an angle, it's the alternate formula. It tells me cosine of angle C is equal to A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. So let's plug into our formula.
Do you just subtract the number that's the cosine of the angle?
So we got A, which is 6 squared, plus B, which is 8 squared, minus C, which is 12 squared, over 2 times 6 times 8.
Go, Bryce, go.
But we're after an angle, so how do you find an angle? Good, we're going to hit the inverse cosine of all of that. Alright, so type that in and let's see what we get. Alright, so we get for angle C, it's 117.28 degrees. Now what are we going to find? Which one? Alright, angle B. How are we going to find angle B?
Cosine of B equals A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AB.
2AC, you mean?
AC.
We can use our law of cosines, but look, guys. What do we have right there?
You have the opposite.
I have an angle and the side across from it. So what can we switch to? We can switch to the law of sines if you want to. You want to do law of sines or you want to use the law of cosines? Okay, that's what I figured. Y'all usually like that better. Alright, so we can say that 12 over sine of 117.28 equals, what angle are we after, B? So 8 over sine of angle B. Remember, cross multiply and divide. So sine of angle B is equal to 8 sine of 117.28 degrees divided by 12. And again, we're looking for an angle, so what are we going to use? We're going to use the inverse sine. Alright, so let's type that in and see what we get. Alright, so we found angle B was 36.34 degrees. And how are we going to find angle A?
180 minus angle B plus angle C.
Good. So I'm just going to do that at the top here. So to find angle A, it's 180 minus the other two added together. So what is angle A?
26.38.
Somebody said 26.38. I think I heard another one as well. 27.38?
It's 26.
Okay. Was there just a typo? That's okay. That's why we're checking. All right. 26.38 degrees.